Hey y'all, my name is Christy Seidel and I'm an independent consultant for paparazzi, and I'm going to show you how to create a template for your invoices. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to go to create an invoice on your PayPal. From there, it shows up this page. And on this page, you can choose to put your own image. So I might change this to my logo. And so there's my logo. Then I can go down and I can put in my business info. So I can go in and hit edit and type in all of that information, hit save, and so then it's going to show up my business name, who I am, my website, and my email. From there, I am going to leave all of this type of information blank because I want to be able to fill that in whenever I actually create an invoice. Remember, this is just a template. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go down here and I'm going to enter in any note to my recipient in terms and conditions. So I like to always thank them for their purchase, let them know that I appreciate their business, and invite them to join my Facebook group and like my Facebook business page. I also like to, under terms and conditions, request that they make payment within 24 to 48 hours. It just helps with making sure that payments get paid. After that, I'm pretty much done with my template. So at this point, instead of hitting save or send, I'm going to actually go over here to save as draft, and instead of saving as draft, I'm going to save it as a template. And then it's going to give me the option to name the template. So I can name it paparazzi, I can name it paparazzi template, whatever I want. And then I'm going to choose to make this my default template because this is my business account and this is a template for my billing for my business. So then I'm going to hit save, and it's done. It's saved. Now from here, all I have to do is hit create an invoice, and it's going to automatically generate this invoice for me every time. And then from there, I can type in my items and I can bill. And then when I am done, I just hit send, because up in the bill too, I'll enter the person's email, or I will enter their information in so that I can continue to bill them as a repeat customer in the future if they ever purchase from me again. That's pretty much it with creating a template and invoicing people. If you ever have any questions, feel free to ask me. Again, my name is Christy Seidel. I am the owner of Paparazzi Fanatics headquarters, and you can find me on Facebook. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.